Welcome to Adventure Kentucky. My name is Michael and I'll be your host. Thank you for joining me. This is just going to be a quick walk around video of the campsite and the Squaredrop camper that I built. So I took it up to the Indian-Celina Lakes Recreation Area in the Hoosier National Forest. There's some hiking and stuff up there you can do. Really nice quiet place. I stayed at the North Face campsite in Site 17. And I'll be honest with you, there is not a bad site in this campground. Now, this particular site doesn't have electrical water on it, but some do. About half of them do. That's my 2020 Ford Ranger Lariat edition. Absolutely love that truck. To be honest, this is my second Ranger. The first one was unfortunately totaled in an accident. This is my Squaredrop camper. It took me about 2 months to build. It is a 5x8 trailer. And then it has a 100 amp hour LiPo battery in there, and then a galley off the back. So I have my camping stove and my sink and my pantry in there. The campsite itself is really roomy, super big, and they're not packed close together. The next site next to me, I'd say, is probably a quarter acre or so away. You can't see them or can't hear them, so perfect in my book. Really nice campfire ring. And then the picnic table there was really good shape, not too warped, nothing like that. So really nice quiet place to stay. I'll do more walkarounds. Obviously, she's gonna be in a bunch of videos. I'll have the galley open next time. I didn't realize I shut it before I started this video. So we'll take a peek inside here. We'll flip the light switch on. So this is her. She camper and trailer weigh in at about 1,100 pounds. And like I said, she's a 5x8 trailer. There's 80 inches of room, I want to say, between the locker and the front and the back wall, and then the galley. That's the 30x30 moonroof that you were looking through there, and then that's the right side window, and then I'll pan over to the left side window. Again, I want to thank you for joining me, and I want to thank you guys. Hopefully you guys will subscribe and all that good stuff. My goal here is to, at Adventure Kentucky, is to visit all of these state parks in Kentucky within the next year or two. So, probably 2. I think there's 44 of them, I think. So, but that's my goal. Again, thank you. Have a great day.